The Chinese medical team in Namibia shared the magic and benefits of traditional Chinese medicine with staff members of the United Nations in Namibia on Tuesday, who were celebrating the UN Staff Day. More than 50 staff members got introduced and experienced various TCM techniques at the UN Namibia headquarters in Windhoek. The medical team currently handles more than 40 to 50 patients daily at the TCM clinic at the Katutura Hospital in Windhoek. At the event, the team performed therapies that included acupuncture, massotherapy, and cupping, as well as introducing 8 Chinese fitness skills which can be practiced easily anywhere in one's own space.
I'm working for the UN Resident Coordinator's Office, and we are celebrating UN Staff Day today. I had made use of the Chinese medical team here in our conference room, and I had some acupuncture in my right shoulder. It was quite a nice experience. I didn't feel anything. After the needles was in, there was a little bit of a tinkling in my body, but yeah, no other effects of pain, and I feel good actually.
China has sent a total of 14 medical teams to Namibia since 1996. The medical teams have been committed to assisting the health sector in Namibia, while maintaining a friendship between the two countries. The next medical team is expected to commence in the next 4 months, after the current batch finishes off.